I'm Dave from DCL Electrical. Just want to show you the system I've designed for the HDTV systems to go in a house. I'll move forward. These systems reduce all the clutter in the corner of your room, the wires behind the telly. All you'd have is a TV on the wall like you can see in front of us now. No box, that's just a subwoofer for the sound bar that's under the TV. I'll show you very quickly. Everything's HD, all your pictures are HD. You've got 2 HD skyboxes through this system, also a PS3 and an Apple TV. Nothing on show, everything's in one central location, which I'll show you in a minute. You'd have 2 Sky remotes, 1 Sky remote, 2nd Sky remote, PS3 controller, the TV remote, which won't be used once I program the Sky remote properly to work the TV, as you know. That remote 1 will control that TV and the Sky box. If I move on to HDMI 3, that'll be your 2nd box, which I can then control via our 2nd remote control, like this, okay? And I can move that up and down exactly as you would if you were in if you'd had the box in the room. If I then move on to HDMI 2, I've then got our PS3, which I can control as you would again if the PS3 was in the room, exactly the same. There's our picture there for the PS3. I'll move on to the central location and show us where all the kit is now housed, and I'll go around the other rooms in this house. In this unit, we've got all the HDMI splitters, 2 Sky boxes, one's 3D, one's HD, PS3, Apple TV, your networking, your hard drive for your PS3, which is full of films and photos and videos, etc. 2nd location will be your kitchen. Again, no one wants the boxes on show, Sky boxes, PS3s, Blu-ray players. So we've got exactly the same scenario in this room. On the breakfast bar here, we've got two Sky remote controls. We've got 1 TV remote control, which again will go. So quite simple, really easy to use. Go to HDMI 1 is Skybox 1. HDMI 2, I'll move over, and that will be our 2nd box. Okay, like that. And then if I move on to HDMI 3, we've got our PS3, exactly the same. The PS3 remote controls are Bluetooth, so you can just move them from room to room. You can also play each other 2-player in different rooms, which is brilliant. Okay, 3rd location, I'll walk through the hall here. All new spotlight through this house as well. We've got the office, which is also a bit of a memorabilia room. We've got exactly the same scenario in here. On the desk here, we've got 2 Sky remotes. We've got 2 HDMI ports on this TV till we get a new one. So we've got Skybox 1 and Skybox 2, exactly the same, full HD pictures, full HD on the PS3 if you get another telly, and the Apple TV. Unfortunately, this has only got 2 HDMI ports, which is why it hasn't got it. We move into this room here. This is your main lounge, which is like an entertaining lounge. Again, who wants a big TV with all the wires and the stand and everything in the corner when you can just have that beautiful 55-inch Samsung TV, which arguably are the best TV about, I think. Smart TV. Again, all these TVs are smart TV. They've all got an Ethernet wire to them, Cat 5. They've also got a couple of spare Cat 6s if they ever need anything for Xbox Connect and things like that to add on to in the future. We've then got, that's our Apple TV on HDMI 4. We've got HDMI 1, which will be our Skybox 1. I'll switch on. Again, we've got our 2 remote controls, which control our Sky, as it does everywhere. Absolutely brilliant. And that's it, really. So, just to conclude, we've got all these systems. You don't need any boxes. You don't need all the wires in the corners, as I said before. They're great to look at. You can have a sound bar underneath. You don't need all the speakers up in the corners of your living room. It's the new thing. It's going to become big. So, DCL Electrical Limited, 0787 057 4043, or visit my website. Thank you very much.